So I had a debate with a friend the other day, and we were talking about data centers and sort of the inherent bad nature of data centers. And I don't think that truly data centers are inherently bad. I think the people who are trying to build the data centers are greedy. They're willing to cut corners. They're willing to, build these massive industrial data factories that displace people, historically disenfranchise people, because it's easy to do. And they're also going for maximum market cap and the quickest way that they can do it. You're trying to check off a mark to say, I have $1 trillion market cap. If you're going for that type of result, then yeah, it's going to be inherently bad. But there are right ways and wrong ways to do everything. In America, we've gotten so used to doing things that way that we think that's just how things are done. But there is clean energy. You can use solar, you can use wind, you can use hydroelectric turbines to power the types of forward-looking technology that we're trying to make. You can also build data centers into already built environments. If you look in Atlanta, New York, there are data centers that exist there now that do not require brand new grids or to drain all the power off of the existing grid to run. AI does require more equipment. It requires better chips, but it doesn't necessarily require anything that we're not already doing or we're not already using. So if we stop trying to cut corners, stop trying to go for the greediest thing and do things in the greediest way and cut corners to build up market cap instead of caring for people, then yeah, we're gonna have inherently bad data centers that suck up fresh water. But if we look at it a different way and think now and going forward, we're gonna do business in a different way, and a less greedy way, and a less harmful way, then just like everything else we do, we will stop hurting humans and stop hurting the earth. But it has to be a whole change in culture. Once we do that, then we'll get to the point where we're not worrying about destroying all of our natural wildlife and habitat to build an industrial park full of data centers. We can build them into our already built environment with clean energy, which I think we should be using for everything anyway, and then move from there. I talk about other ways that we can do new types of clean energy in the Quantum Notebook and on the blog, so I won't get into all that now. But it really is a change in mindset. It's a change in culture and a change in what we believe is the important thing. Market cap is not important. Building new technologies while thinking about humanity is what's important. Peace.